Tulip cruises belong to one of the most favorite cruises of the guests of AMA Waterways. The reason is very simple. The tulips come in all shapes, in all sizes, and what is the most important, in many colors. And the tulips are here with us already since the year 1600, when they were first time brought by the Belgian botanist into this area of the lowlands. 400 years later, the tulips are still here with us, and we are crazy about them. One of the options where you can get the best view of the tulips is the Keukenhof Garden, which is considered to be as the garden of the Netherlands. 7 million tulip bulbs, 8 acres of pure beauty from mid-March till mid-May. Tulip cruises, it's not only about the Netherlands, but also about the Belgium. Have you ever heard about the tasty Belgian beer, chocolate or maybe waffles with the whipped cream, chocolate and the special strawberries? All of this you can have with AMA Waterways on one of our tulip cruises.